Hey guys, what is up? So exciting news, we bought a new house. Yeah, so we did that. Literally just signed papers and I came over here to walk through it with you guys. This will be my next project after we finish up with the flip house and we sell this house. So this is just a quick little walkthrough so you guys can see the plans and the things that we're gonna do. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit that like, that subscribe down below, and stick around. We're gonna do a lot of changes to this house before we move in. Alright guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2,600 square foot ranch style. And this is a one owner house. Dang, they did us like that. Alright guys, so we're gonna call this the wallpaper house because there's wallpaper everywhere. Alright, so walk in. This is our entry. To the right is our dining room, kitchen. I like the layout, don't like the cabinets, this little thing. Technically, the house is mine. I could break this off now, but I'm not going to. You have your living space. Here, I guess this is like your formal living dining area, I guess, maybe. So the plan in this room right here, this is gonna be our bedroom for now. We're going to knock off the popcorn, paint everything, move some stuff around. But this will be our bedroom for the first couple of months while we were planning to add on to the other rooms. I'll show you the rooms. They're kind of small, so I think this is gonna work best for us for our bedroom, our master suite. Same thing in these living areas. We are going to get rid of all this popcorn, all this flooring throughout here, paint, get rid of some of like these wood features, not all of it, but like little thing. Get rid of the wallpaper, of course, in the dining room, popcorn, update the fixtures. And in the kitchen here, we are going to paint cabinets, countertop. Not sure what else yet. We'll see what the boss wants to do. But popcorn paint, that's a lot as is. All right, moving along. This is the hallway to the bedrooms. So here we have the first bedroom. Of course, we're gonna get rid of the popcorn, flooring, and this will be Chica's room, her little nook for her books. We like that. I like that. I'm gonna keep all that. I'm gonna remove all this wallpaper, all the popcorn. I like the bookshelves, little closet over here. That's gonna do well for her. The wood all along, I'm gonna keep that. Next is the bathroom. Wow, so this is original owner bathroom. It's all real wood. I mean, back in the day when this came out, this is all, you know, expensive craftsmanship stuff. It's just outdated. Got all this wallpaper, popcorn, oh my goodness. And then this weird tub. The gentleman that lived here was an older gentleman, so he has this stand-in tub you can sit on and take a bath in. So yeah, all of this eventually will be updated. Probably not right when we move in. We're gonna go step at a time. Next is this other bedroom. This is JJ's bedroom. Just a regular bedroom. Closet. another little storage closet. And then this is what's supposed to be the master bedroom. Wallpaper again, older windows, but the plan is to go a bit at a time. First do the popcorn, flooring. This is the master closet. So yeah, so this is why we're not using this as our bedroom, because my wife can't fit all her stuff in there. So this will be her closet for now, for the time being. This is the bathroom in here. So it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. We're gonna turn it into a 4-bed, 2-bath. Maybe another bathroom eventually. Shower. Some more wallpaper, some more wood. Handsome young man. More popcorn, so all that's coming out. But yeah, excited. But yeah, so that's the inside. Those are the bedrooms. Eventually we want to see if we can open this up right here, or this right here as well. Make it into one big space like we had at our old house. But yeah, let's check out the garage. Fireplace. It's nice. Brick, all brick. This will be good for family gatherings. Pretty big open area. It's all one level. We were tired of having to go up and down stairs every time we needed something. Here's the laundry room. This is 7 by 10. So pretty big, with a sink. So yeah, this will be good. Do some laundry in here. Very nice. Very nice. Closet, bathroom. Garage. This is the garage. So it has been raining. It does have a little bit of drainage issues outside that we're gonna have to address. But yeah, this is the 2-car garage. Boom. Attic. We'll go up there later. All right, and this is walking into our backyard. It's gated. Thankfully, neighbors are not that close. Boom. So we have this deck out here. Cool little deck area to hang out. Extra garage over here, our creepy garage. And this is our backyard. This is why we are moving out here. We are on about, I think, a little bit over 1.5 acres out here, and we have trees, and we have space, distance from our neighbors. It's what I want. Eventually I want to move out even farther out, but for now this is better. I'll have a workshop over here / cave, and then we have over here another little balcony area where we can put our chairs and stuff. And eventually, the plan is in the next year or so to add on to the master bedroom that's right here behind me and bring it out, hopefully to about the same as this side of the house. So we'll have a courtyard right here in the middle, and we'll have a big old master bedroom on that side, and then this can go back to being a living space or something else. But yeah, so a lot of stuff coming, a lot of cool projects that we'll be able to do here, and just ready, it was just time to move out, get something bigger. I'm gonna get some chickens out here for the kids, some bunnies, just cool stuff like that we have more space for, garden. So a lot more work, but definitely gonna be worth it. Yeah, quite a big yard, big area. Bring cars in here. Nice. Ready, excited. Let's do it. creepy garage space area. Ooh, this one has a lot of work, but eventually I think we can get a cool little office storage area in here. Oh, got this nice little antique desk here we can work on. Very nice. Dang. This little loft storage space area over here. We have our other garage. Alright guys, well there you have it. New house. So we'll start work on this here. Hopefully in a couple, maybe like 3 weeks, once we get the other house done and we do some touch-ups and stuff on our house. I don't know if I showed you guys the garage outside area, but yeah, beautiful. We like the space that we get out here. And then Stella's mom and dad live right over there, like 3 houses down. So close enough so we can go to dinner every day, and far enough to where it's across the street. Pretty far. It'll work. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video, and look for more videos to come in the future, guys. Will be yeah, thanks for checking out the video, guys, and look for more videos to come in the future. We are going to be fixing this up, making it look good. Yeah, God is good. All right guys, we'll see you guys next time.